Hi again, Jennifer. This is the last one up here. This is the Hummingbird model. And like I said, I will name these videos with the address and the model number so you can easily keep track of which one that we're looking through. The Hummingbird, again, is going to be a lot closer to the Dove model, the first one we went in, with the exception of it's just a 2-car garage. But size-wise and the way it's laid out, it's pretty much the same. So we'll walk in here. You walk in and you immediately do see the guest bathroom right there. And the front bedroom. And you'll notice the finish is pretty much the same in every one of these homes. Front door for reference. The kitchen area. Pantry, of course. And, you know, this is about the same size kitchen as the first home we were in. Second home does have the larger kitchen area. So here we've got the laundry room, garage door leading out, and the other bedroom, the second bedroom here. Okay, we'll get into the kitchen. Well, we're gonna go through the kitchen, but just kind of give you a feel for how this kitchen is laid out in the room. That's the master back there. And then of course you've got the little dining area over on this side, just like the first model we went through. Into the master. And then of course you've got the bathroom here again, dual sinks, a little bit of storage, and a smaller walk-in closet, almost exactly the same size as the first house that we were in. And we'll quickly head out back. Again, all of these finishes about the same level. Front and back are landscape desert. Now this is a corner lot, so you're gonna have a little bit more noise here just because of where it's at there. Side yard. And the backyard again. Well, that's it. That's all 3 homes. I'm going to get to a place that have some decent Wi-Fi and get these up to you. Out here, it would take forever and a day for video, but I do want to get these out to you as quick as I can and get you all the information that you need. I'll talk to you soon, and have a nice afternoon. Bye-bye.